Come on, Marie.
I said, be aggressive. I said, you're in better condition than what you think. I know she is. Atta girl. Get up there. Get up there.
That would be the hardest thing for me is to not run near that nail thing and more run. Okay, I wasn't front, so everybody just...
Atta girl. Keep it up. Keep up there.
400 more yards. Sure enough. A couple times there though.
And I showed
Just so you know, you guys have an awesome daughter. She has been so good to Marie this year. Marie idolizes her. All she does is talk about her. And I told her, I said, you got to make sure you do the same when you're a senior and you're a junior.
She's been the only one that's been committed. She's still a freshman. That's been really nice to go and have somebody.
Yeah, she loves it. Go Marie! Go Marie! Go Marie! Come on Marie, be aggressive! She's like, there you go, there you go. Come on, go for that girl. Go for that girl. Come on, baby. That girl in the front ain't gonna make it.
No, I think
no, she's...
That piano's about ready to hop on her back.
That's not even legal, is it?
The proverbial piano.
Oh, proverbial.
come on, Marie, come on. I have no idea.
Atta girl, come on, show them who's boss.
Okay, I'm sorry. Nobody's doing it. That's it.
Yeah, she can.
There she goes. Be nice to her.
This is a
one
set.
heat?
No, there's another
There's
heat.
another heat.
Yeah. Great job, Marie! Yeah! Woo!
Hold him off, Em! Keep running! Keep running! Right on you, Em! Right on you!
Come on, Emma! Come on, Emma! Push!